I've been using StudyFetch for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using as an AI study tool in 2025. StudyFetch is designed to turn your study materials, like PDFs, lecture slides, and even YouTube videos, into usable flashcards, summaries, and quizzes. One of the most helpful features is its AI tutor, Spark-E, which can answer questions, explain concepts, and even grade your written answers. This makes it a great all-in-one assistant for students who want to cut down on prep time and focus more on learning. The interface is clean, and it's easy to upload documents or start a study session with just a few clicks. But there are a few things you should know before diving in. The free plan is very limited. You only get a handful of questions with Spark.E and restricted access to flashcard creation, so most users will likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. Also, how well the AI works really depends on the quality of your uploads. If you give it messy notes or poorly formatted PDFs, don't expect perfect results. And while the automation is convenient, there's a risk of relying too much on the AI, which can make it easy to skip the critical thinking part of studying altogether. So overall, StudyFetch is a useful tool for students looking to save time and stay organized, especially for those juggling multiple subjects or prepping for exams. It's best used as a support system alongside your own active studying, not as a full replacement. If this review helped you decide, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.